To be honest, $20 always. Gotta get these, baby. Look at that. Look at that booty. What is going on, guys? This is your boy Kuma from my gay peoples. Welcome to Wrenchettes. We're now don't work on this beautiful G35, but on life as well. Now today it's going to be part 2 of cleaning those nasty ass headlights. Now if you remember in part 1, if you guys haven't seen it, I'll link it in the corner. But these things were too much for the Meguiar's heavy duty. You can see, you can still see a lot of cracks and stuff like that, and you can feel it that they're still there, especially here. They're very deep. This is old clear coat, but this headlight, as you can see, is bad. It needs really deep cleansing, and today we are gonna give it that treatment that it so deserves. Okay, so the tools that we're gonna need is a couple of microfiber towels, just like any universal light, so you can see close up. 120 to 3K kit of sanding paper, and then we're going to go back to the Headlight Restoration kit from Meguiar's to finish it off and seal it. We have our soapy water, our painter's paint, because this time I will go low on the grit and it will mess up the paint, and I don't want this car to look even worse than it does right now. So then after that, we have the grill to polish, and that's all the tools you're gonna need for this project. Now, if you wanna pick up anything that I have here, I'll link it in the description so you can pick it up yourself, from the microfiber towels to the drill. Now, if I can't find the same Black & Decker drill, I'll link another product for you guys. I'm noticing it still has horizontal scratches, and that's from the lower grit. So I need to do a better job in taking those out first before I do the polish. The polish just let me know that there are still more scratches on there, so I have to give more treatment, but that's the name of the game, right? Let's get to it. To be honest, I like how clear it looks, but it still looks hazy, and it still needs work. Because the first time that I did it, it looked very, very polished. But because I went down on grit, there are some fine scratches that I need to take out still. If I had more time, I could possibly do it, but I have to pick up the kids and the wife and that. Struggles, man. But let's do this light real quick. See if we can go down to 240, then 400, then 600, then 800, then 1,000, then 3,000. See how that looks. guys seen the results. I went down to 240 grit, which was more than what I wanted to go, because the more you sand with the lower grit, the more scratches it makes. That's what that means. You have to do more passes as you go along to erase those deep gashes, you know what I mean? So I didn't want to go that low, but that thing was dirty, man. And it still shows signs of grime, which is amazing. It looks good, you know, for how it looked before, but the shine is not there. As you can see here and here, the shine that it was in the first time I did it is not there, in my opinion. It looks clearer, but the shine is not there. Now that only tells me one thing, that the sandpaper from Meguiar's has either failed or I didn't do enough passes on in between grades. But I think the Meguiar's pads already have failed, because the shine part was supposed to be done by the Meguiar's kit, and I think I did too much passes last time. Based on what I seen here, I think they are worn out. But it looks good, man. It looks good. Look at how many stuff I used. And I didn't have a sand block. Man, that's annoying without a sand block. That's why they use a sand block. Now I know. So if you like this type of content, please like this video. If you are new, please consider subscribing. 2019 is going to be an awesome year, including the Batman-themed G35, baby.